Which dance form is best for beginners? A quick overview. Dance is the joy of movement and the heart of life, Bookey Nova. Dancing is a great way to get some exercise and meet new people. It is one of the oldest methods of relaxing and having a good time. It's hard to find the time to make a serious commitment to learning new dance moves, so you may be wondering which dance form is best for beginners. Here are different options that you might want to try. The waltz. Waltz is one of the easiest and most useful dances for beginners to learn. This dance is popular for weddings and other parties, and you will have more fun if you know how to do it. You dance the waltz with a partner, and it has 4 basic steps. It is a beautiful and graceful dance where the couple glides around the dance floor. There are different dance studios where you can learn the waltz, and most of them have fun socials 1 or more times each month. The swing. Another great dance is the swing. This dance is more upbeat, and people have a lot of fun with it. The swing includes a lot of different dances, such as the Charleston, the Lindy Hop, the East Coast Swing, and the Shag. They have swing camps for beginners who want to learn swing, and that could be a lot of fun if you are taking it seriously. The Lindy Hop is a type of swing dance, and it follows 6 basic steps. It is considered easier to learn because it does keep time with the music. When you wonder which dance form is best for beginners, keep the swing at the top of your list. The ChaCha. This fun Latin dance is popular and good for beginners. It has 5 steps that go 1, 2, cha, 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 in time to 4 beats of music. It's a lively dance from Cuba, and it can be danced to most music. Not only can you find a dance studio to teach this dance, but there are a lot of videos online that you and your partner can use as a starting point. If you want to have a great time, learn this dance. Dancing is so much fun, and it is a great activity. When you wonder which dance form is best for beginners, consider any of these options, and enjoy. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more. Until next time, ballroomdanceplanet.com.